How can a simple home get a fresh new look using the latest 2026 interior design trends? Instead of changing everything, the redesign focuses on making the existing spaces work better while creating a cleaner and more comfortable home. In this transformation, you'll see how practical upgrades in the entrance, dining area, kitchen, and staircase can completely change the way this home looks and feels. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Before, the entrance area already had some functional elements, such as a small bench, shelves, and a mirror. However, the space still felt plain because the wall surfaces lacked a strong design feature that could connect all these elements together. The storage was also limited, making the area less efficient for everyday items and personal belongings. For 2026 interior design trends, homeowners are moving toward intentional spaces where every corner has a purpose. That's why the new entrance follows: functional design with built-in solutions. So instead of adding separate furniture pieces that can make the area feel crowded, a custom built-in bench with drawers and storage was introduced. This creates a dedicated place for personal and everyday items while giving you a comfortable spot when preparing to leave the house. Another 2026 trend seen here is the use of natural textures and architectural details. The wood slat wall feature adds warmth and depth to the entrance, while the organic-shaped mirror becomes a statement piece that makes the area feel more unique. The built-in cabinet system also supports the growing demand for cleaner and more organized homes by hiding clutter and maximizing every available space. Finally, the integrated LED strip lighting creates a softer atmosphere, which is another common direction in modern interiors, using lighting not only for visibility, but also to improve the feeling of a space. With these changes, the entrance becomes more than just an entry point. It becomes a practical feature of the home that combines storage, comfort, and the warm, minimal look that defines many 2026 interiors. Before, the dining area already had the basic furniture needed for daily meals. However, the space felt simple and disconnected. The dining table, chairs, and surrounding walls did not create a strong focal point, making the area feel more like a functional corner rather than a place where people would naturally gather. For 2026 interior design trends, dining spaces are becoming more flexible. That's why the new dining area follows warm minimalism to create a comfortable home experience. So, the setup was upgraded with a built-in bench, wooden dining table, and upholstered dining chairs. Instead of leaving the window side unused, the bench creates an extra spot where you can relax, read, or enjoy natural light during the day. Above the table, modern pendant lights become one of the main design features of the space. The entertainment wall was also upgraded with a combination of a stone texture feature wall and fluted wall panels. This creates a stronger focal point while allowing the dining area to also function as a relaxing space for watching movies or spending time with family. To complete the atmosphere, wall sconces were added both sides to create softer accent lighting. The roller blinds also improve comfort by controlling sunlight and adding privacy while maintaining the clean look of the interior. Lastly, the area rug helps define the dining zone and adds softness to the overall composition. With these changes, the dining area transforms from a simple eating space into a more complete part of the home. Before, the kitchen already had a practical layout with existing cabinetry and an island setup. The space was already functional, but the overall look felt simple because of the plain finishes and lack of material contrast. The cabinets, countertop, and backsplash needed an update to create a warmer and more refined appearance. For 2026 interior design trends, kitchens are moving toward refined simplicity. That's why the existing kitchen cabinets were updated with a softer, neutral finish, giving the space a cleaner and more modern appearance. An open shelving section was also added to break the solid cabinet arrangement. This provides space for displaying kitchen items while making the upper cabinets feel lighter and more balanced. The existing island was upgraded with a new quartz countertop, creating a stronger focal point and giving the kitchen a more premium feel. And a new base finish was also introduced to add warmth and connect the kitchen with the dining area. The bar stools were also upgraded to complete the island setup and make the space more comfortable for casual meals, conversations, or quick activities. Another upgrade is the addition of a backsplash with quartz finish, which protects the wall surface while adding more character to the kitchen. The under-cabinet LED lighting highlights the backsplash and creates a softer atmosphere, following the 2026 trend of using lighting as part of the overall design. With these changes, the kitchen keeps its original efficient layout, but gains a completely updated look. Before, the staircase already had a modern design with wooden steps, a simple handrail, and an open layout. However, the area around the staircase felt underutilized. The space below the stairs was left open, and the plain walls did not create much visual impact compared to the rest of the interior. For 2026 interior design trends, staircases are being treated as more than just a way to connect different floors. That's why the goal is to make every part of the home purposeful by improving both the appearance and the usability of the space. One of the biggest changes is the addition of a custom storage cabinet under the stairs. Instead of leaving the area unused, the space is transformed into hidden storage that helps keep everyday items organized while maintaining the clean look of the interior. The floating steps were enhanced with LED strip lighting installed underneath the steps. Aside from improving visibility at night, the lighting creates depth and highlights the staircase as one of the main design features of the space. The sidewall was also upgraded with a wood slat finish with concealed door system. Aside from creating a stronger visual feature, it provides easy access to storage for household items while keeping them out of sight. So the existing open design was maintained, but the addition of these details makes the staircase feel more intentional and connected with the overall interior. Before the update, the home already worked well, but it needed more warmth, storage, and details to make the spaces feel more complete. When the design followed 2026 interior trends, each area was upgraded with smarter storage, warmer materials, and better architectural details to create a more comfortable home. So, this transformation shows that 2026 interior trends are not just about making a home look updated, it's about making each space feel better and work better for your everyday life. With the right furniture, materials, and small design changes, even a simple home can feel modern, warmer, and more comfortable. Which upgrade would you choose first? The entrance, dining area, kitchen, or stair area? Let us know in the comments below. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. If you're a professional or student looking for a faster way to create your floor plans, check out Design Burst Pro, a smarter AutoCAD workflow designed to help you spend less time drafting and more time designing. Click the link below for more information about this digital product. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.